danna subscribe domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu da zarar mun daura.
Once you have logged in, this is what you do. Just click on home. If you click on home, click on Facebook and Facebook like and follow. Click on it, then click on VIP0. If you click on it, click on receive tax. I've received tax. I've received another one. You can only receive 3 tasks as a VIP0 member. Then click on back. Just go back. If you go back, click on this tax again. Click on the tax. Once you click on the tax, it will open like this. I hope you guys understand. Then click on this first tax. Just click on the first tax. If you click on it, it will open. Then click on jump. If you want to perform the tax, click on jump. The link will open for you. Then like this video. Take a screenshot of the like. After I've liked it, just go back. Then click on submit sample. You submit it. Click on OK. Wait for it to upload. Once it has finished upload, click on submit. Submit completed task. Click on it. I've finished one task. I've done one task. Just click. Go back. If you go back, you can see that there are many two tasks remaining. Then you can still click on this place. Then click on jump. You still repeat the same process. Very simple. But like this.